Inspired by Toyota's legendary off-road racing legacy, TRD Pro takes its proven go-fast, desert-running attributes to the next level. Available in double cab with a 5-foot bed, TRD Pro features TRD-tuned Fox QS3 internal bypass shocks with 2.5-inch aluminum housings and rear remote reservoirs. Quick Switch 3 QS3 technology allows for manual adjustment of compression damping on each shock to match the terrain. This controlled, confidence-inspiring ride is further enhanced by TRD Pro's segment-first IsoDynamic performance front seats. Available in black or cockpit red with technical camo pattern inserts, these heated and ventilated Softex trimmed seats with power adjustability use an air-over-oil shock absorber system to help reduce body movement and stabilize the driver's field of vision, improving focus and comfort while on rugged trails. TRD Pro also uses a TRD Performance air intake and TRD Catback dual-tipped exhaust to allow the iForce Max engine to breathe even more efficiently, and features unique exterior features such as available two-tone paint, 20-inch LED light bar integrated into a heritage-inspired Toyota grille, Rigid Industries LED fog lamps, and an ARB steel rear bumper with rear recovery points.